Hello friends, how are you? In today's lesson I'm going to show you how to call a function returning a value from a JSP page. Okay, from Oracle database. So I'm using Oracle database 11G, database 12C release 1, and you can see this is my IP address. Okay, so this is our Linux server, Red Hat Linux, or Oracle Linux 6.4, 64-bit. So I'm going to use a file called procall.jsp, and I'll write the program here, and I'm going to call this function which is known as uh, get employee name. Okay, so which is having one parameter emp code. I'm passing the parameter is a voucher, and it is returning a voucher, and it is taking an employee name emp underscore name from employee master table with the condition of parameter pass, that is emp code, and returning the emp name. So I will be doing this in my JSP page. So let us start, and page import equal to java dot sql dot start. Okay, so first what we will do, I'll just declare a connection con equal to driver manager driver manager dot get connection, that is, and I will take. Okay, let us show you one thing. I'm using the OJDBC6 which is for Oracle 12c release 1. I'm using this plugin, the jar file, which is this is a thin client which I am using, and this will be used by my JSP page. So my connection string is JDBC Oracle thin 192. I'm giving my IP address. You can also provide host name. Okay, then I'll give the port number and then my Oracle SID. Okay, and here I will just provide my username, password. You will provide your username. This is my database I have, which I have been using. Okay, so connection has been created. Now I will do create another object known as callable statement. Okay, and I give the object name as stmt. I just declared this, and I'll call it later on. Okay, so now a try block. Here I will do stmt equal to con dot prepare call open. This is the return type, this is the function, and this is the argument I will pass, and I've done with this. Okay, I've prepared the callable statement, and now I'll do stmt dot register out parameter, register out parameter, that is okay, 1 comma types dot char. Now you are wondering what is this. Okay, this is nothing actually. First let me tell you that this first question mark, which is a return type, this is the index of this parameter is 1, and index of this one is 2, the second question mark. If there is a third question mark, another parameter, then it should be 3, 1, 2, then 3. If there is another, then it should be 4. Okay, so I'm using one parameter, so this first one is 1. So what I'm telling that register this question mark this one as out parameter, which is of will be of type char. That means it will return a string. Okay. Now stmt dot execute. Oh no, sorry, I have to do another thing. stmt dot set string. I've given the question mark in this get employee name, so I have to provide the value. Okay, and for providing the value, what I need to do, I need to, you can also pass the parameter here in the set string. That is, the parameter number is 2, index is 2, and the value can be request, or you can directly pass it here. Request dot get parameter, and I am giving it a name emp underscore code. Okay, so you can also do this, or better is that you declare a variable. Okay, string emp code equal to request.get parameter. Okay, and pass this emp code here. Okay, so I am passing the value. Now what will I do? I'll just declare another variable string ename equal to stmt dot get string. Okay, what get string? Number 2. So okay, no, sorry, one thing is number 1. Sorry, yes. Okay, because I am going to take the return value of this question mark. This is its index is 1. Okay, so let us print it out. Dot print ename. Okay, so stmt close the object, close the connection object, and set it to null. Null on equal to null. Just put a try catch. This is a try catch block, so you can just give one SQL exception E. Okay, so I hope I am done with this, and it's a close. So this is my let us just define it once again. This is the JDBC thin client, that is JDBC Oracle thin. Then the IP address or host name, this is the port number 1521, then the SID, then this is the username, and this is the password. Okay, this is the callable statement stmt. I've just called one function called prepare call, which will actually set the preparation of the invocation of the function, that is get employee name, which is returning one value, that is a question mark. This is number 1, and passing one value, that is a question mark, that is number 2, index number 2. And for the number one parameter, I'm just registering the out parameter with the type of char. That will it will return a char. Get URL parameter. Okay, with the request.get parameter, that is the value is emp underscore code, and I'll set the string with that value. Okay, so this will actually pass the value to the get employee name function. Then I'll call the execute statement, execute function, and retrieve the return type, and set it to a string called ename, and print that ename. Okay, so let us move to our just a moment, move to our browser. Okay, and this is my value emp core underscore code, localhost 8080, and this is my Apache server, and this is my function, this is my file which I am calling JSP, and this is the parameter, get parameter emp underscore code equal to 0. Oops, there is some problem. Okay, so it's expecting call, so Okay, I just remove the try statement to catch the error, and I'm just again putting this here. Okay, so just undo it. Okay, I'm done. Now what I'm missing is here question mark equal to, I just need to provide one call statement. I think it's okay. There's, I hope no further error will be generated. Yes, okay, see, I've got the result. Now let us try with something else. 03, 04, nothing is there. 05, 011. Okay, there should be something. Yes, 12. Okay, so this is the code. So what I just need to make you remember that everything is okay, but just you need to provide the question mark equal to, you have to provide one call statement here. Call, then function name, then the number of parameter, whether it be 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us move here and do something else. Just give me some time. It's a few minutes. Okay, let us provide one, say emp grade. This is also water. Okay, and just put one and emp grade equal to emp grade. Just need to show you that. Just a moment. And need to show you that multiple parameters, how to pass multiple parameters. Okay, so just this one. So now we have two parameters. I've just put one here and put one question mark here, and set string, in the set string, and this I'm putting one grade here. Okay, so make it 3, and the rest one is same. So let us move to the browser and put one ampersand and give emp grade. This is a staff grade. I'm just putting the correct one. Okay, so there is some problem. emp grade is not resolved as a variable. Just doing some mistake here. Okay. Yeah, okay, I just need one to, I've just not set the declare the variable and set the request get parameter emp grade. Sorry about that. So emp grade is now here, and let us call it. Okay, now if you make something else, say W, you will get a null. Okay, because the condition is not matching. Here I put this emp grade. So this is actually not just I need to make you understand what's actually going on. Okay, so how to pass some multiple parameter. So that's fine. So let us make it S, and again go to this and 0, 1. Okay, so this is all about this passing calling function from JSP page from Oracle database, and this is a small example. I'll my next video I'll come with another example where I will call a procedure with which will have out parameter, which will return a value, and I'll just retrieve those value from that out parameter and print on the screen. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please press the like button. To subscribe to my channel, which is SCPHRO 190776. Thank you very much.